Okay, today I'm going to show you the Lloyd Galaxy Stationary McManus. This particular table is a stationary. It's flexion distraction. It has an elevating head with both the toggle and the forward motion drops. It has an adjustable spring chest, has a pelvic drop, a T-bar. It also extends and retracts. So the best way to show you this is to go from head to toe. All right, on your headpiece, you have this really wonderful cushion, adjustable width cushions. Okay, you have 8 different hole openings right here. This little knob right here has a roll pin in it, and it's spring loaded, and it comes up and grabs whatever opening you get. Okay, so we're going to open it back up, put our paper guide back down. All right. We have our built-in paper attachment with a spring-loaded paper holder. Okay, so we'll put our paper back. There we go. The headpiece lifts just by lifting it, front and back, front and back. It goes down with the black handles, down and back with the black, down and front with this black. Okay, you support it, you lift up on the handle, and down it comes. Okay, pretty simple. All right, this knob out front here is your forward motion drop, cocking handle. Okay, this tension knob here is your tension knob for your forward motion. You only need to turn it ever so slightly to increase pressure on your drop. You start giving it a couple of turns, it won't move at all. See, there we go. I just got it, back it off a little bit. There we go. All right. This yellow handle is your cocking for your toggle drop. You have yellow handles on both sides. I can cock the drop on both sides. Your tension for your toggle is underneath. So it's this black knob right here, and we have it set for your average head weight. You may never have to change it, but if you do, there's your toggle tension knob. All right, I'm going to show you how to, not that you need a lesson in this, but we'll take the paper through. So you lift that, right, and it pulls nice and smooth, pulls right over, and pulls quickly, okay? All right. So the table, we're done with the headpiece. We're going to go into the chest section, and there's this extension piece right here, okay? So if you want the table to go longer, pull out your black knob, and you have this extension piece to make up for a really tall patient. Most of the time, just lift right here. Your extension piece can come right out. Lift on this black handle. You have your adjustable chest, right? So wherever in there you want to put it, you just lift, and I'm going to pull out on this section here and shorten the table back up. This is the way most people use the table. All right? This knob right here, you pull on it, and that locks it. Push on it, and you have a spring chest. Move it forward some. There we go. You have a spring chest right there. All right. Okay, so this is a 3-way knob right here, a gauge, and an open and close tension knob. Okay, so this yellow handle opens up the flexion. When I open up the flexion, that's how you get your up and down motion right there. And this black handle is your lateral. Okay, so I am going to lock it, take some pressure off of this, open this black handle up. Watch our needle. We never want our needle to go below 200 pounds. So we'll take it to 200, close it back up. I'm going to open this back up so you can see it's very easy to do now. All right, open up our lateral, and now we can do lateral circumduction. All right, we're gonna lock the flexion and lock the lateral. Okay? So this three-way knob pulls out, and this is a foot pump right here. So when you foot pump, it tensions out, tractions out. When you push it in, it tractions in. When you do flexion, it has to be in the center. Okay? So when it's in the center, that's where you would pump it. You watch the gauge. As I pump it, it's going to add pressure. That's adding pressure back to the flexion cylinder. Okay? This is your pelvic drop. Rear of the table to tighten. Forward to the toward the front of the table to loosen. All right. You have tension knobs on both sides. You have cocking handles on both sides. All right, here's your T-bar. So your T-bar is adjustable height. It's designed that you can't push it down, but you can lift it right out. That's an exclusive Lloyd table design, so that as you're doing your flexion distraction and you're pushing down, it'll hold steady. But if you open this up and you have a heavy patient and you decide you don't want to add pressure to the flexion cylinder, you just want to lift on the handle, kind of the lazy man's way out, so you won't hurt yourself, it just automatically releases, pulls right out. So it's a safety feature built in for the doctor. All right, we're going to lock it back here. We have a slide out ankle. We can tension that up, and we can lift on the ankle piece. And we can lock them both in with those two knobs, or we can lower it, bring it back in. You also have a fold-away T-bar, so that it will close and fold away. I've got two brand new ankle straps I'm going to put on here for the patient's ankles. They'll be in there for the doctor. And that should take care of all the features on the Lloyd Galaxy Stationary McManus. Thank you.